This is a brand new 2014 Honda Ridgeline. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, an audio media storage unit, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.